Hey guys, welcome to another video of the Distributed Agile Association. My name is Pratika, and today I wanted to do a quick video on how to add story points to Trello. In my last video, I spoke about estimation and adding and story sizing, and somebody reached out to me to ask how do I add story points to Trello. And so I use this extension for Chrome. I know it's there for other browsers as well, but this is basically Scrum for Trello. And when you add that to this to your Chrome browser, when you go back to your Trello board and you reload the page, you will start seeing an option to add story points to your card. So you just click on the title of the card and it takes a little bit of time to show up. That's just how the tool works. And then you can actually add story points to your card. And once you do that, you can see that at the top of your swim lane, you're able to see the total number of story points in that swim lane. And this is really helpful when you're doing sprint planning and trying to understand how much do you have in each sprint, or if during the sprint you want to see how much is done and how much is your team is still working on and things like that, just to get an idea of how you're doing in the sprint. So it's really useful for that. You can also change settings when you click on this thing here. They have an option to have a burn down chart. I don't really use their burn down chart as much, but they have an option to so they sort of give you a little tutorial of how to make this work, and then you can actually change values. So if, for example, the values that they have right now are 0.5, 1, 2, 3, and so on. If that doesn't work for you, if you want to use Fibonacci, or if you want to use any other way of adding story points, you can do that and save settings as well. And that is how you add story points to Trello. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. For any feedback or questions, leave me a comment below, and I'll get back to you, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.